state health officials say that more than 90% of Californians live in areas with substantial or high risk of COVID transmission. So here's a closer look now at the Bay Area where the high transmission rates are. That's in red. So that includes Solano, Contra Costa, Alameda, and San Francisco counties.
And areas considered at substantial risk are orange, as you can see there. They are Marin, Sonoma, San Mateo, Santa Clara counties. Although nearly all Bay Area counties adopted the mask guidance nearly 2 weeks ago, Solano County, which is high risk for COVID transmission, it has not followed suit, at least not yet.
KRON 4's Dan Thorn is live in Benicia tonight. He's checking in with businesses and health experts about the mask recommendation. Dan, what's the latest there tonight?
Well, Justine and Vicki, health experts say getting the vaccine is the most important defense against the Delta variant. But returning to wearing masks indoors at places where the public generally gathers, people that are from outside of your home, especially in these high-risk areas, is really important, and it'll help bring the infection rates down. And we spoke with some businesses out here that say that they're going to actually be leaving it up to their customers to make the decision as to whether or not they're going to be wearing a face mask. But others say they're going to be following the state guidance. Indoor mask wearing is once again being recommended by state health officials to combat the spread of COVID-19. Parts of the Bay Area, like Solano County, are right now facing substantial or high community transmission of the virus.
The Delta variant has changed the equation, and cases are going up. And they have been going up now for some weeks.
Dr. Michael Stacy is a public health specialist who says the most important thing for people to do is get vaccinated. But as Solano County and other parts of the Bay Area see infection rates going up, it's important for everyone to mask up.
It makes a lot of sense to go back to wearing masks more frequently while there's a lot of Delta variant in the Bay Area.
Some businesses in Benicia, like the Loft, wine bar and restaurant, say they'll leave the indoor masking decision up to their employees and their customers.
We're not going to make any changes. I've always believed in letting people make their own choices when it comes to their health. We're going to continue to let people make their own choices.
Other establishments, like the Chill and some of their customers, plan to follow the guidance and return to wearing masks indoors.
I think it's pertinent to stop the spread of the virus. No matter what variation it happens to be, it needs to be done.
We really just want this to be over with. We're willing to partake in whatever the CDC suggests just so we can beat this pandemic and be back to normal, hopefully.
The mask recommendation is for both vaccinated and unvaccinated people, leaving some a little confused about the new guidance.
If the masks are working, how come they're not working? If the social distancing is working, how come it's not working? Let's have some truths on it.
This is the right thing to do to protect ourselves and protect our friends, our families, our neighbors.
Well, we reached out to the Solano County Public Health Department to see if they will be adopting this new mask guidance, not only from the CDC, but also from the state. And as of this report, we have not gotten a response. Reporting live in Benicia, Dan Thorn, KRON 4 News.